Do not get anything from the floor. Okay. So, ito na friends. Magpapa kami ng order. Kami ni Maya at Lucas. Si Andrew ay natutulog. We can see him here. Do you remember this? I sold this fox costume. Mabenta ang mga baby costume dahil mag-Halloween. At marami pa akong baby costume from Lucas and Andrew's costume when they're babies. So, yeah. I'm starting to sell them. I sold this one. Fox. You can bag this.
Okay.
Do this one. It's here. And then this.
Favorite.
And then ito naman ay sweatshirt for Christmas. Medium. Yeah. So, nakabenta rin tayo ng isang picture frame. Mabigat ito. So, hanap. Next. This one.
Do you know why I wanted to work so badly?
Why?
I wanted to buy, but something that was $9. So then I found something really kind of the same, but it was just, guess how much it was? If you can't guess, I'm gonna tell you. It was $3. I didn't even know that. I didn't look at the price. I even saw that there's a little later. Last time.
Yep, she's working for money.
Yeah. If I find something else. Mommy,
What? Is it too small? When you do it, fold it first, and then you can remove. Hold it here, and then you can remove that.
Oh.
So that
So
it's
I'm
not
gonna
gonna
do
be, yeah.
You'll keep
So next is that one. So that's 6 so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay.
This one is gonna go on that one?
Yep. Nakabenta rin ako ng dalawang Olay. And then meron akong bali 4 na dosen ng tea lights kasi mag-Halloween, magpapaskuhan. So mabenta to ngayon. So ipapak natin yan. Nabenta ko to sa Facebook Market. So I will get the label. No.
What?
Maya's trying to get. Okay, good. Perfect. Wait lang. Okay, I'm gonna print another label, Lucas. That's for that box with the blue tape. Oopsie. There you go, Lucas.
Okay, I'm gonna do this.
Okay, so Facebook, Mercari, Dan. I'll check Walmart.
Wait.
Oh, may isa pa, Facebook din. Back.
Okay, and this cut here. Mom, I'm done. Okay, then.
So, ito naman, mga sweater.
I'm gonna say. Mom, it's safe.
One more.
Hey.
Oh,
Yeah.
Andrew. Andrew. She's awake. He's awake. Hi, Andrew.
Andrew, we're in here. Hi.
We will be inside.
Yeah. After this one last pass.
Okay, so ayun na yung ating... Ay! Bukas ko pa i-deliver yung yung mga pa-order na yan. Bukas pa kasi hapon na. So, papasok na kami. Merienda time. Instant noodles. Okay, but your noodles is ready. I'm peeling persimmon. Ang dami naming persimmons, friend. Tingnan nyo, ayan. Ayan ay pinitas namin sa puno ng aking biyana na Koreana. So, ang dami niyang persimmon. That is just for this week. Next week, I'm sure she have more for us. Kami ang namimitas mismo sa puno niya. She have like 3 na persimmon trees. So, we're very happy about this. So, magbabalat muna ako. Merienda muna yung mga bagets. Ito si Maya nandito naglalaro. Ang merienda ni Maya ay Skyflakes. Maya. Tapos, magluluto na din ako ng dinner. Ito, meron akong meat, adobo, yung kalahati ay bulgogi. So, adobo yung iluluto ko for today. And then, yung kalahati ay para sa susunod na mga araw, bulgogi. Ayan. Tapos na ang work. Medyo madaming order. Bali yung pinak natin kanina is order lang yun ng kalahating araw. So, medyo madami. Kaya sabi ko, bawasan natin para bukas, mas kaunti ang ipapak bukas ng umaga. Diba? 10 order din yata yun. And we work for 27 minutes. Lucas, how much do you think you earned earlier? Yeah, it was only 27 minutes. So, he earned $2.70. Ang bayad ko sa kanya is parang $6 per hour. Below minimum. Baka makulong ako neto. Hey, Google. What is the minimum wage in North Carolina? $7.25. $7.25. Underpaid pala si Lucas. Mataas na yun compare dati. Dati kasi kada tulong niya $1 lang. Ngayon meron na siyang may sense of time na siya. So sabi ko, gawin natin per hour. Tapos I don't know kung bakit kami nag-come up dun sa number na yun. He only really work or help me kapag meron siyang gustong bilhin na laruan. So kahapon, sobrang sipag niya. Nag-work siya almost $10, I think. Parang 9 something yung kanyang pinagtrabahuhan. Tapos ngayon, so far, nakaka $2.70 siya. Pero mamaya daw mag-work pa siya. Ewan ko kung ano yung gusto niyang bilhin. Nakalimutan ko na. Pero, below minimum pala siya, no? I mean, parang naglalaro lang din naman kasi siya talaga. Tsaka yung oras niya na yun, hindi naman siya 100% na pagod. So, parang gina-justify ko yung $6 per hour niya. Pero, pagka meron ako mga part-timer, kasi minsan, nag-hire ako ng part-timer kapag sobrang daming trabaho. I usually pay like $10 or $12 with free food. So, alam mo naman tayo mga Pilipino, no? Parang gusto natin yung may kasamang pagkain. Ang hinahire ko lang is yung mga friend ko lang, yung mga part-time lang, ganyan. Hindi ako nag-hire ng stranger kasi usually they work in our house. Sa isang kwarto yung meron akong work area. So, dyan sila mag-work. So, kasama namin yung bata. Diba? Kumbaga parang nakakasama namin sila sa loob ng bahay namin. So, hindi pwedeng kahit sino lang. So, I only hire my friends or mga kakilala na alam kong safe kami. Parang gano'n. So, I don't just hire anybody. Tsaka parang part-time lang. Wala akong helper talaga na full-time. Parang may mga on-call lang na kaibigan kumbaga. Pero in the future, naisip ko pag may sarili na kaming warehouse, in few years, hopefully, mag-hire ako ng someone dito sa Amerika na para full-time helper talaga. Para ako ay hands-on pa din sa mga bata, pero tuloy-tuloy ang business. Para yun yung plano. Pero, again, that's in the far future pa. It's just that if I want to grow my business in the future, I really need someone to help me, lalo na sa business. Pero meron akong VA na full-time. Yun, hindi ko na lang i-disclose yung kanilang sahod kasi baka hindi okay sa kanila, diba? Kasi nanonood yun. Hi. Nanonood yun tsaka yung mga pamilya niya. So, hindi ko na sa ipagsabi kung magkano yung sahod niya. Parang gano'n. Pero average yung kanyang sahod. Average for VA in the Philippines na nagtatrabaho for US clients. Parang gano'n. Makita niyo to. Yung persimmon namin parang ano. Para siyang mansanas or parang singkamas na mas matamis. Masarap. So, wait lang. Hugasan ko muna. Okay.
Not too cold, not too hot. Perfect temperature. Mommy! I'm lost.
Wow! How's that?
All you do is put the ball in there and then just